In this video, I'm going to show you how to print from PDF24. So there's a bunch of different ways you could do this. The first one is by simply dragging and dropping a file here inside your PDF24 toolbox. So if I click and drag this file in here, release it, there we go, it's going to open up in a separate window. And here at the top right, you can see there's like this printer button. So click on print and it's going to open up this printing scout over here. There we go. You have to select your printer here. Of course, select the one that you have. Then you can select the amount of copies, the layout, pages, and the color as well. And of course, you have more settings if you want to use those as well. And when you're ready, just click on the print button here and it's going to print your document. Okay, so that's the first way to do this. However, you could also open up this tool down here, which is Open PDF Printer Assistant. You want to click on it. And from here, again, you could go ahead and just basically add files with this plus button. I'm going to go to my downloads. I'm going to open up a file here. There we go. And then here you can again select the quality and then click on print. And it's going to basically start opening up this printer. There we go. And you can then print it from here. This doesn't allow the preview right now, as you can see, but of course you can print that way as well. There may be a little less customization available, but it's still very possible. So that's basically how we do it as well. And yeah, this is it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.